Hi and welcome everyone, this is Sabaa, brand ambassador of G45. Today I am here with an amazing tutorial on trifold pop-up card. Yes, this is my card which I have created as a leveled up series, and this is how the card looks like. It has a threefold and when you open it pops out like this. Isn't it so amazing? So the techniques is really simple. Now as you see, I have also decorated envelopes. I've created two sets of it, and that's the another one, and see how beautifully it has turned out. So are you excited to create this with me? Then let's start the process. Here is 2023 Make a Splash Card Kit Volume 3. Here you will be getting a written tutorial with pictures. Now this is 8x8 Make a Splash card kit, and these are some card set along with envelopes. You'll also be getting this ephemera set. This is cute badge and Inkpad. So let's start the process. So this is one of the card which I have already created. I will show you this card first, then it will be easy for you to understand the concept. This is the envelope which I have created, which actually I decorated. You will get the ready envelopes like this in the card kit. You'll open it like this. I've decorated all these areas. We will be discussing how to do that. And if you can see, this is the distressed. It is not exactly the ivory color. I'll take out my card, and that's how this very beautiful card came out. I absolutely love this collection. This is so pretty. It has tons of elements and you can do wonders out of it. So let's see, it has this belly band. It will come out like this, and now the magic begins. And here is our 3D card ready. Learn step-by-step process. If you could see here, I have decorated all the areas. Now it will close like this and will be secured with this belly band like this. So without any delay, let's start the process. For this, you will be getting this card base and envelope in the kit, in your card kit. I'll keep this one envelope separate, and we'll take a piece of this card. Now let's start working on it. Grab your scoreboard because we are going to score some lines first. So as the card total length is 8.5, we will divide it into divide into two equal parts. For this, we will score it for 1/4 of an inch. We will mark it to 1/8 of an inch. Same way, we will turn and we will mark a line at to 1/8 of an inch, and we'll score the line. That is two lines. You are scoring and folding toward this side, and the center line will be at the opposite direction. So we will fold it like this, and this is how we got a M shape. Okay, now here I have already cut out some strips of my pattern paper which measures 5.5 inch by 2 inch. So this I will start pasting here like this. I'll start adding this strips here, or we could call it laces, because this really gives amazing look to your project. Now let's start working to the inside part. Just flap this side like this, and we'll start working on this part. So as you know, in our volume 6 2023 card kit, there was a coloring technique was here which we are going to follow here at the center part of our card. So let's start and let's see how to do that. So I have this scrap piece with me. This is the scrap cardstock. I will start tearing it like a wave. Now this is the Inkpad, which is a part of your kit. So I'll see, this is the bottom of my card, so I'll start from the top. I'll put this card cutout here. I'll just press it properly and we'll start coloring it here. In this way it got such a nice pattern. Wow, that's looking so amazing. Now it is not important always to take this part here. I can use some other side of my waves here to give the more variations, and we'll start coloring it again. So this is basically a background for our pop-up here. So if you see, if we add more patterns at the back side, our pop-up would not be that visible. For this, I have decided to use this technique here at the bottom, and when we are going to add our element, it will pop out and it would be very clearly visible. For this, I have taken few strips of acetate sheets. So these are 3 strips. Its width is ½ inch. Now I will just mark it here and fold it from here. Same way I'll mark and I'll fold it from here. So basically this acetate strip we wanted to add only to this inside part, only to this part. So follow these lines and your acetate sheet should be inside this line. Okay, like this. So now let's add it. For adding it, we are going to use a tacky tape. So I have used tacky tape here. I'll start pasting here from the bottom. Just follow these 2 lines. Your acetate should be between these lines. Alright, so this is how I have added all the 3 acetate strips here. Now I'll be taking this ephemeras, which is available in your card kit, and let's start and decide which element to place where. These are the ocean plants. So I have cut out the sleeves and I have distressed it using the Inkpad which was there in our kit. That's how we'll just decide and we'll place it. Okay, and this I am thinking to put it here like this. You have to close it like this, okay, and it will open up like this. Like this. Now this is the belly band which we are going to make. For making belly band, let's take a strip of 1 inch of width. Now I'll take a piece of this pattern paper. These are 2 strips of 1 inch in width. I'll mark it ½ inch, then 5/8 of an inch, then I will mark it 5 inch, 5/1/8 of an inch. And that is how we are going to stick this here to a card. Okay, yeah, it is better. Now this is the remaining part which we are going to add with this another strip of a paper. So perfect. Now I will start adding some die cutouts. Maybe I'll add this make a splash element here. I'll use double-sided tape for this. So because I have added this mermaid here with double-sided foam tape, so that's why this belly band would only come out from the top and not from the bottom. The other one, there was no element was added here, so because of this the belly band can be taken out from both the ends. Now This is the different technique which I've showed you. Here is, you can add the quotes here, and I have added some elements here. So let's start decorating the envelope. And here's the final result. So that's the card which we created now. I hope you love all these techniques. This is something very unique and a fun card to create. Do try it out. You can even use some other card kit and create this magic. Isn't it looking so beautiful? Do tell me your views in comment section, and don't forget to like and subscribe. Till then, bye.